Hey guys, what is up? My name is TechnoBoOriginal. Welcome back to a new video. So, if you got Windows 10 or any other Windows version, and you tell things not to start up when you start up Windows, but they start up anyway, like in the Task Manager, if I open it up and head across to the Services tab, not Services, Startup tab, you'll see a whole bunch of stuff that you can right-click, disable, but it might start up when you start up your computer anyway. That's because it's not located in here, it's located in other areas. So let's leave this open. Head across, hit Start R. Once that opens up, you're going to have to type REGEDIT. Hit Enter. When it pops up, hit Yes, and it'll open up this new window. Now inside of it, you'll need to open up HKey_local_machine. Open it up, open up Software. Inside of that, open up Microsoft. Then open up Windows. Then open up Current Version. And let me just make this a bit bigger. Current version. Inside that, you'll need to head to Run. And inside of here you'll find some other programs maybe. If you don't want anything starting up, let's say there's a new thing called, that's the wrong button, I don't need that. Let's say there's a new thing called Word. Yes, you don't want Word to start up when you start up your computer. Right click, delete. Yes, and it won't start up when you start up your computer anymore. Then check your Run Once folder, which is directly below the Run folder. And yeah, if you're using Windows 7 or Windows 8, you should also see a Run Services and Run Services Once. You'll have to check those and have a look inside of them, and if you see something that you don't want starting up when your PC starts up, go ahead and remove them. Then scroll down to the Windows NT folder, which is right after this inside of this one. Windows NT, open it up, current version, and then inside of it look for WinLogin if you are using Windows again. Then into user init, which is init, user init, which basically means that it starts up when you start up your computer. I think this is only for Windows 7 and below, but that's where things will be. You can also go ahead and disable them from there by right clicking and deleting, or just hitting the delete key on your keyboard. Then you can scroll all the way up, close every single little thing if you want, or leave them open depending. Head across to HKey_current_user, open it up. Again, software, Microsoft, Windows, and inside of that current version, and then run, and you'll see some more stuff in here. If you don't want it starting up, this is usually the folder where you'll find the things in Task Manager. But if you disable them here, you won't have to delete them from this folder. Also inside the Run Once folder, you'll have to delete things out of there if you don't want them starting up. And if you're using Windows 7 or below, again scroll down, Windows NT, after checking this, Windows NT current version, and then there should be a Win, and then there should be a Windows folder, and inside of it you might find things that might start up. If you don't know what it is, try not to disable it or delete it, just leave it as is. But yeah, go ahead and close that. Now type Start R and type in services.msc, open it up. Now once it's open, you can make it a bit bigger, at least so you can see the startup type. Hit the startup type so it sorts and you can see all the automatic ones. Now let's say there's something in here that you don't want starting up with your computer. You have to right click, properties, and then I clicked somewhere that I wasn't meant to. Anyway, right click properties, and then you should find startup type automatic. Click on that and then click manual. I can't change that because it starts with Windows. Let's see, VMware, right click properties, and then startup type automatic, change it to manual. I wouldn't recommend setting it to disabled, because then if a program needs to start it up, it won't be able to start it up. Manual's better. If a program needs to start it up, it'll try and start it up and it'll be successful, rather than not being able to use it at all. Now if you use, let's say, Battlefield and Arma and stuff like that, where it uses the BattlEye service or a couple of other things, maybe GameSpy, something like that, that stops you from cheating, a lot of the time this will kick you out randomly from the games if you disable the wrong things, like the anti-cheat. So if you have any games and anti-cheats, try not to disable them in this services menu, otherwise you may have a problem playing online or even offline for that matter. I really don't think it'll get you banned, but some games might if you disable the anti-cheat. Well, obviously, because then I guess it's kind of cheating in a way, because you could be doing anything without the anti-cheat switched on. Once you've done that, you can close that, restart your PC, see if anything starts up, make a note of it that you don't want, and then go ahead, repeat all the steps and have a look for that name of the program that started up that you don't want starting up anymore. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.